Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Govee Lyra Floor Lamp to sync with music. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Govee Lyra Floor Lamp and you want the lights to match the music that's being played. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that you want to do is go into your Govee Home app. Then click on your Govee Lyra floor lamp. Then the setting that you want to go ahead and select is the music setting on the right hand side. So now the music can either be picked up from your device or from your mobile phone. But if you go down more, you can see that there's different sceneries. So if we set it to energetic, I can now see that the floor lamp responds to my voice. So choose which sound pickup method you want and then select the music scene that you want, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your Govee Lyra floor lamp to sync with music. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.